Hey, this is a Ford Focus 2007 and I'm trying to find the crank sensor, and basically it is located just behind the driver side wheel. Easier if you take it off, and it's located right here. So there's a 10mm bolt which needs to be removed, maybe easier with a ratchet or something like that. And which part? So this is the part that will be replacing it. So before I remove it, there's just a comparison, looks similar, so hopefully it's the right part. So this is the original part in place. It looks like there is a spring retention clamp here that needs to be lifted, and then that should come free. Now it's a good opportunity to check the new part versus the old part. They do look very similar, so I don't think fitment will be an issue. So there is this alignment pin, again that's present on that one, so that should hook on and screw in. Right, it's a bit fiddly to get the nub behind here, but if you use your finger you can feel where it should slip into, and then also ensure that this pin is seated properly in its locating pin and that your hole is ready for the screw to accept. And then just screw that in hand tight and connect this until it clicks in place. Right, that's the screw in place, and then this should fit in. And that should just be snugly clicked in. Also, just another point, you should have not the wheels on jacks. Try and chock it with bricks or axle stand, because you don't want the car to fall down on you.